Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Microsoft Advertising for keyword targeting, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Microsoft Advertising. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Microsoft Advertising homepage. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click the Sign In button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your Microsoft Advertising account email address. Type in your email address and click Next. Next, you will be asked for your password. Enter your password and click Sign In. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will receive a code on your registered device. Check your device for the authentication code. Enter the code into the designated field on the website. Once authenticated, you will be directed to the Microsoft Advertising dashboard. Now that you are logged in, navigate to the Keywords section found in the left sidebar. Click on Keywords to access the keyword targeting options. In this section, you can add, edit, or manage your keywords for your campaigns. To add a new keyword, click on the Add Keywords button. Enter your desired keywords in the provided field, and adjust the match types as needed. Review your selections and click Save to finalize your keyword additions. If you want to view keyword performance, you can access reports from the dashboard. Explore the tools and resources available to optimize your keyword targeting strategies. When you finish your tasks, make sure to log out for security purposes. Click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. You have now successfully logged into Microsoft Advertising and managed your keyword targeting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.